Every July we are told the same lie, that life should be perfect now, sun, freedom, travel, success. And yet, why do so many feel emptier during this time? Because comparison reaches its peak. Everyone seems to be living, and if your life feels quiet, you start to believe something is wrong. But the truth is nothing is wrong with you. The lie is that this is a time of celebration. But in reality, this is a time of reflection. The soul begins shedding the illusions it's carried all year. And that process feels like loss, not a loss of progress, a loss of pretense. Nature understands endings. It doesn't resist them. The final week of July carries a specific energy, a quiet sadness, a subtle tiredness, a sense that something is ending, but we don't know what. This is the death of illusion, the false timelines, the pressure to be more, the expectation to feel okay all the time. What dies here is what no longer belongs in your next chapter, but endings only feel heavy when you resist them. Sit with it, let it fall apart, let it leave, because on the other side of death is clarity. You cannot begin August carrying the weight of who you used to be. Most people cross into a new month unchanged, still carrying guilt, still wearing masks, still chasing approval. But July offers something rare, a spiritual funeral. You are allowed to bury what no longer serves you, the anger, the habits, the voices that told you you will never be enough. Let July hold that burial. Let this final week become your release, not in noise, but in stillness, in quiet journaling, in deep breath, in real honesty. No one needs to see the transformation, but you must feel it. Because when July ends, you cannot carry death into August. How the world says, keep moving, smile, you're fine, but your soul knows better. This last week is sacred. It is not a collapse. It is a reset. So slow down, feel what needs to be felt, and allow July to bury the version of you that cannot walk forward anymore, because what rises in August will be lighter, clearer, closer to truth. Let this death become your beginning.